Everyone on this another video of OpenCV tutorials, and today I'll be teaching you how to add geometrical shapes on OpenCV. So let's get started. As you know from the previous videos that how to import images and how to read it, so I won't be going through that. So if you want to learn how to read image and show image on OpenCV, I'll link the video down in the description. So today I'll be teaching you how to add geometrical shapes, and firstly I'll be teaching you how to add a line on this image right here. So basically you have to write a line of code where img is equals to cv2 dot line, and you have to memorize it or understand the data members that I'm going to tell you. Firstly, you have to add the name of the image that you are using and the coordinates on where you are drawing the line from, to and from, and firstly on the left hand side the starting point of the line. So I'll give 0 0 the starting line, and next the ending coordinate 255, 255, and on next we have to add color. As I told you on the previous video that OpenCV doesn't uses RGB, it uses BGR. It is the opposite of RGB. The color pattern is BGR, so we have to write the color pattern accordingly. So I'll be adding color 0 0 to 55, which means 0% of blue, 0% of green, and full red color 255. And lastly we have to add the thickness of the line that you are adding. So let's run this code and see the result. And as you can see, from a given coordinate 0 0 255 255, there is a red line of 5 width that has been drawn on this image. So for your ease, I'll just type a text here so you would understand what data members to add. So line, firstly you have to add the name of the image, and comma, first the starting point, next the ending point, and next the color, the color of the line, and the width of the line. So this is the data members that you have to add while using cv2.line. So on the next part I'll be teaching you how to draw arrowed line. So it's pretty simple. It's similar to the arrow one that we have done. Just write img is equals to cv2 dot arrowed and capital letter L INE. Never forget the capital letter L, bracket, and similar to that name of the image and the coordinates. So I'll be changing some coordinates here so that the lines don't overlap them. Zero to 55, and next the color of the line. So I'll be giving a yellow color right here, 55 to 55, 0 on the blue, green, and red, and the thickness I'll be giving an 8. So let's run this code and see the output. As you can see, the arrowed line has run from my given coordinates right here, and the color is yellow and the thickness 8. And moving on to the next geometrical shape, I'll be adding a rectangle. So img is equals to, using the rectangle, cv2 dot rectangle rectangle, the name of the image img, and the coordinates of rectangle. And next, the color of the triangle. So I'll be giving a blue color on this rectangle. So 255. Never forget, the OpenCV doesn't use RGB, it uses the opposite, BGR. So B blue 255 0 and 0. And next, the width of the triangle, so I'll be giving 5. So let's run this code and see the output. And the output, see the output, there's a rectangle, the blue rectangle in my given coordinates right here. So here the width is 5. So let me show you something. If you add -1, the rectangle right here gets filled up. So let's look at this output. Using -1, the blue rectangle gets filled up with the given color blue. So similar to that, you can use to fill any geometrical shape like this. So I'll be going back to the width as 5 and showing you the next one, how to make a circle. So similarly, img is equals to cv2 dot circle. So the circle data types are a little different. So firstly, the same as name of the image. Next, we have to give the center coordinate from where the circle starts. The center coordinate I'll be giving 447,69. And next we have to give the radius. So I'll be giving a radius of 68. And next, the color of the circle. So the color will be green. 258 0. And lastly, the size. The size, I'll just fill up the circle as I taught you earlier. -1 will fill the color. So let's run this. So let's see the output. As you can see, the circle has been filled. As you can see, there's a green circle with the given coordinates right here. So you can change the color and the coordinates. So let me show you. If I change the coordinate, if I change to 100 and increase the radius, of course I'll set it to 50, and the color will be different. So let's run this code and let's see the output. By changing the coordinate, I've set circle right here. And you can even change the circle, fill the circle, or create a hole in the circle like the rectangle that we did. or you can just fill the circle using -1. So moving on, I'll be showing you how to add a text in the image. So img is equals to cv2 dot puttext, put text, and the T should be capital letter, and the data members should be like first the name of the image, and next what do you want to write the text. So we'll be writing OpenCV right here, and next we have to set the coordinate of the text. So I'll be setting it in 10, 400. Next we have to use the font. So we can use the font like we can use another function we can create, like font is equals to cv2 dot font underscore, and as you can see there are different fonts available. So I'll be using RC complex and run this, and you can use the font variable. So using that, so after that the size of the text I'll be giving 5, and next the color of the, so the color I'll be giving is white. Next, and on next I'll be giving the thickness 5, and I'll be giving a line type cv2 dot line underscore aa. So let's run and see the output. So here the OpenCV has been written with white color and the font size as given. So these are the simple geometrical shapes that you can add in the image, and the text input you can add on the image. So similarly you can add different types of shapes and geometrical shapes on an image that you want. So today we learned about how to add geometrical shapes, different types of geometrical shapes, how to add an arrowed line, a triangle, circle, a single line, and how to add a text. So if you have any doubts or queries, you can just comment down, and I'll hope to help you in any difficult situation that you get or any error that you might face. So thank you for watching. Hope you like the video, and if you want to see more of our videos, you can just go down in the description below, and I'll link more of the videos down below. Thank you for watching.